Welcome to 2028 Ocean Beach Esplanade. This is the prettiest cottage with outstanding beach access and views of the water, situated on Gibson's finest beach, Bonniebrook. This is a rare opportunity to own waterfront acreage property that's zoned for 2 homes. The current mid-century cottage was renovated in 2023 and boasts exceptional light, modern touches, and each room features views of the ocean. You'll feel like you're on Laguna Beach. The bathroom has a glass wall to the rear to relax and bathe in nature. The wonderful bedroom is the perfect place to wake up to the sun and ocean beyond, and has its own access to the large entertainment deck outside. The home also has its own ensuite laundry. The open-plan spacious living room is thoughtfully laid out with adjacent dining area and kitchen. 2 sets of French doors seamlessly blend the inside and outside spaces. There's also a bonus guest bunkie with a bedroom, ensuite bathroom, and sleeping loft. The top acreage parcel has an engineered driveway, full geotech report, excellent building sites, and the current owners are finalizing the development permit for the second home. New stairs lead you down to the perfect beachfront cottage. For more information on this property, contact me, Rachel Dempster, at the following phone number or website.